Hello. This is going to be a long video, I guess. It's 5:30 p.m. The sun is shining, so I won't be walking right now. It's too hot. And the sun after the sun goes down a bit, then I'll start walking. So why don't I, make a video right now? I'm free. So there was this economics industrial management paper today, and I completed it within 4 p.m. So I'm free now. So now. I had a thought about this video, what I should talk about. I should talk about my 4 years at Jadavpur University. Right? Uh, I don't know how it's going to be. Some people might be offended at my views, some people might be happy, some people might sympathize with me. But here it goes. It's gonna be a long video. So, the results of WBJE were given out in oh god, I'm forgetting everything. So I knew that my rank was 307 in WBJE. So I was happy, and at that time I thought that I would go into Jadavpur because of the fees. 15,000 very less, वहीं जाना. So that was my thinking, my point of view. My mother, father obviously wanted something good, and I think I might have gotten somewhere else. I don't know. But during JOSA, I had an operation, so I couldn't really, sit for JOSA anywhere. There was an operation. You don't need to know the details. So, Jadavpur University, there was this document verification thing which happened, and I had to go there. After that, I got my roll number, and then at the end, was it August, September? I don't know when we started our classes, but what I remember is they called us at a certain day, and my mom and dad came along with me for my first day at college. When we reached college, it turned out that it was a holiday because of something, I don't know what. And well, we went to a restaurant, we ate, and then we went back home. There was Saturday, Sunday after that, and on Monday both my parents were out of Kolkata, so I had to go to college alone on the first day. Well, that's not a bad thing, but I thought my parents would accompany me for the first day of college. On the first day of college, I met with some friends. Most of them of A section, so after that I didn't really have any correspondence with them because I'm a shy kid and lazy. I don't leave my classroom. So on the first day there was some orientation shit, and they we got to roam around our department and see what's where do we have to go. This is the next 4 years of our life. And we were in a my mother, she booked a PG for me because 2 ghanta traveling up and down 4 hours totally in a day chele korte parbe na, so let's give him PG. And I'm, as mentioned before, lazy, so I didn't want to stay in a PG, but I was at the same time excited as well to stay in a PG because new experience. I hated it, FYI. I couldn't do it. So initially I used to stay like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at the PG, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday at home at my grandma's home, because that's much better, right? Why would I stay in a PG when my grandma stays there? So gradually Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday reduced to Monday, Tuesday, then it just reduced to Monday, and then I just said ki nahi hoga mujhse. Within like 4 to 5 months, 6 months, maximum 6 months, I left my PG. Yeah. Freshers. So 2017, I guess it was just after the sport round or just before the sport round. Around the time of the sport round, we had our freshers, and well, I was Mr. Freshers. And that was a nice experience. Got to talk to some of the seniors, We got to banter among us. I might have offended some of them. I don't know. I didn't really talk to them after that. Well, if I offended any of you, sorry. So yeah, that was freshers. I remember being a little stupid during the first year as well. There's this thing that happened in the first year when we were playing cricket in our classroom, as people do, as sensible people do. And I was wicket keeping, and behind me was the window, the glass window. And one ball I couldn't catch, and it stuck on the window, and everyone was like, "Hey, tum kya kar raha ho? Tu ki kochish? Like, it'll break." So me, being the overconfident boy that I am, said ki, "नहीं, ये कांच खूब strong. It will, handle it." And what I did was, let me demonstrate. I did this. I took the ball in my hand over here, and I did this on the window. Big brain play by Ashutosh. The glass broke. And the glass was stuck in my hand. There was blood everywhere. So the entire class, some of them came towards me for helping purposes, I think, and some of them started cussing me out. I guess Pritam Saha even said ki prothom bochor aise hi over smart game. Yeah, I remember. So anywho, after that I went for the tetanus shot because, why did I go to the tetanus shot? I took a tetanus shot. I applied some Savlon. There were no stitches, thankfully. I was not that stupid. I was that stupid. My hand wasn't that badly hurt. So that was... fun fact, that was during my birthday. On the day of my birthday, I did that. So yeah, good times. Any more tidbits during my first year? I was not really an events type of guy, so I didn't really participate in any events. I was shy. I am shy, and I like my home better than I like any other place on earth. So usually after college, if no one was playing football, I would usually go back, because then 2-hour journey. So if at 5 I'm going back home, I'll reach by 7:30, and it's tiring. The bus ride back is tiring, and as time goes on, as it becomes late, the bus gets more and more packed, and by 9:15 I think it was the last bus, and if you didn't get on that, you have to take an Uber. Did I do that ever? Yeah, I think I did that once in the second year. I mean, my college life was only 3.5 years. 3.5 years, 2.5 years. Third year, second sem में गया था ना, तो फर्स्ट ईयर फर्स्ट सेम से सेकंड ईयर फर्स्ट सेम 1 साल होता है, सेकंड ईयर फर्स्ट सेम से थर्ड ईयर फर्स्ट सेम 2 साल होता है. So I was there, I think, for 2 years in my college. Was I? Yeah. That's sad. So anywho, first year, I was talking about first year. I was really, first shocked and then pleasantly surprised by the timings and the dates and the spaces which we got between exams. They were enormous. Like, I think in our first year of exams, there was a local election or something, so we got tremendous breaks between our exams. I recall there was an exam before which we got 1 week, and after that we got 1 week. So yeah, we had a lot of time. First year, no, I don't have any more memories about first year, except that stupid class of carpentry and things like that. I hated it. A little known fact, I didn't really do my carpentry assignment myself. I gave a carpenter 50 rupees and he made it for me. I smuggled it into the classroom, and that's how I got my grade. Is it controversial? Will I get into trouble saying this right now? I don't know. Please don't report this to university authorities, please. What else? No, first year was pretty tame. Oh, I absolutely hated, from the bottom of my heart, I hated engineering drawing. That was I tried hard. I tried so hard to excel at it, but the best I got was 7.8. And 7.8, and bad like reviews from every other sir that I was a part of. I was in a class. Man, I don't know the English language. Whew. 10-minute video. Wow, that's already huge. What else? Second year, na? What happened in the second year? For the second year, I wrote some blogs about like the freshers, and I think they read it because it went for a lot of views, 100 plus views. So thanks, juniors. Well, I didn't ever talk to you guys, and I don't know who you are, so I guess you're good because you read my blogs. So I think that gave them a bit of confidence after they read my blogs, because the confidence level from 2017 to 2018 was on a different level. I remember a guy called himself a motherfucking beast or something. So yeah, good for you, man. Good for you. You're a motherfucking beast. Second year tales. What happened in second? From the second year, I became good friends, nice friends with the people who went in the S9 bus. I won't name them. There are too many of them. I remember, I think it was in the second year, Durga Puja, when we went to a friend's house. Yeah, it was near Jadavpur. I was, I didn't really plan on going to their house, but I was tricked into going to the house. Hello. Sorry for the weird cut. The video just 2 seconds before this was shot 1 day ago, which was on 31st May. This is 1st June. Pride month, yay. So yeah, let's recap what we said last time. Last time I was talking about my second year shenanigans, and I think the last thing I said was I think it was the Diwali party at a friend's house who lives near Jadavpur. People know them, I guess. So what happened was we went there. I was telling about my how they tricked me into going there. So it was Diwali. It was a holiday, and I was a bit sad because I didn't get to go to Jamshedpur for some reason. I don't really remember why I didn't go to Jamshedpur for Diwali that year. Second year se first sem, this will be 2018, right? No, 2018. So why wouldn't I go home? I don't know. Something. What could be the reason? Lack of a holiday? I don't know. I don't remember. So as I was saying, first a friend who lives near my grandmother's house said ki, come to my house. We'll have a party, Diwali party here. We'll pitch in some money and have a good time. So I said, take it. That's like 200 meters away. I started going there. Then he said, this is shifted. The party is not at my house. It's at another friend's house who lives in Salt Lake. Like a friend who lives in a usual, like just around a usual commute towards Jadavpur. So I was a dumb guy, so I didn't really, catch on to it. We saw a friend there, and after that the plan changed again. They said that it's not in this friend's house, it's the friend's house who lives in Jadavpur. And I said, go fuck yourself, I'm not going to Jadavpur today, it's a holiday. So what was I'll do chole cheese like so chol, let's go. So when I said listen, whenever you're visiting someone's house for the first time, you shouldn't go empty handed, and I didn't want to go to why would I go to anyone's house when my house is there? So they forced me, and I sat on a bus. I asked mom to give me some money because I think we were going to spend some money on firecrackers, I guess. Yeah, on firecrackers and some sweets, I think. Yeah. So we did Jadavpur at least, not her friend's house exactly. And then from Jadavpur, we had around like we need to wait for someone else, and then we went to her house, which was a daunting task as well because we didn't know where she lived, so where they lived, so yeah, where they lived. So then we had to find their house, and finally we found it. And then we went in, we had some, like we brought some snacks ourselves, like the sweets, and we flew some lanterns from the rooftop. Yeah, and it was an overall fun experience. During our return, it was again 9 p.m, so no S9 buses were available, so we had to take an Uber. I think it cost something around like 500-600 that night. Astronomical for Kolkata standards, as at least. So that was the second year, right? Anything else I remember the second year? The thing is, I don't really remember anything about my 4 years like 2.5 years at college, because I wasn't usually an outgoing guy. I like to lay on my bed, watch some House, MD, or The Mentalist on TV, and I'm fine. I remember going to some book fairs and some normal fairs in Salt Lake itself, so there's that. As I'm taking an initiative to go somewhere, that's usually not there. Yeah, we went with friends to some, like, after, like, there's this sir who won't take a class today, so we're going somewhere. That thing happened. I remember we went to a restaurant near Jadavpur, Goal Park, something the place was called, and it was a scam. They said ki it's a something rooftop, something. It was a 2-story rooftop. So yeah, amazing. And that day it was raining, so we didn't get to see the rooftop. We sat inside, and the prices of that place. Chumeshwari. A tea cost ₹60, man. So yeah, I took some tea. Me and another friend shared some tea because I was broke at that time. People ordered stuff. They ordered things which usually costs around 100, and they paid 300 for it. And they were happy after that. So good for you guys. Good for you. That's one of the bad ones. There were good ones as well. We had some nice outings as well. Oh, second year, there was another thing. At the end of second year, we got a treat. 3 people got a treat from another 2 people, so there were 5 people in total, and we got a treat because well, the reasons are a little sensitive now because they've broken up. So acha ruko. So as I was saying, it's like, a sensitive issue because they're broken up now, but the treat is still appreciated, guys. Thanks for the treat. Well, you're not named, so no one knows who you are, but you know who you are, and all of my class knows who you are, so sorry for that as well. So I had my kind of fun in Jadavpur. Not the kind of fun that usually people associate Jadavpur with, but it's my kind of fun. I had fun. I didn't grow as a human being, that's for sure. I'm still dependent on my family members for all my basic needs, but well, I was happy. I'm happy with my 2.5 with the Jadavpur. I think I learned something new, some new experiences. I have third year ka baat karke, there's no need to talk about the third year, because the entirety of my third year, whatever I experienced was just coaching, gate coaching, nothing of substance in that. I didn't attend the teacher versus student football match which I wanted to attend. Everyone wants to play, I want to play football, right? And people usually like playing sports, so I couldn't go to that because of Made Easy. I couldn't go to a lot of things because of Made Easy. People called me for the birthdays. I didn't go to that because of Made Easy. I had my fun. Made Easy. The coaching, I guess I made some friends there as well, but 10 hours a day studying, that's not very practical in my opinion. But I still did that. It was of no use because during the gate exam I broke my hand, so I couldn't take the gate exam. So there's that as well. So yeah, that's my 4 years at Jadavpur. And do I need to say anything about online? I hope not, because online to yahi par hai hum more than a year now. So yeah, that's it for my experiences at Jadavpur University. That's how I perceive Jadavpur University as, and that's how Jadavpur University helped me grow as a person, I think. I'm not mature, I'm still immature, but at least I'm maturer than what I was in class 12, I hope. Chalo then. So this is the first video, and also this is the first video that I'll be editing, because this is split into 3 videos now. And yeah, let's see what I can do with that, how good I can edit. I'll throw some stuff in, some will stick, some won't stick, but this is the first video. Like, I just downloaded a video editing software yesterday and this is my first video which I'll be doing. So let's see kaisa hota hai. Bye. Oh, I'll do that transition now, ye wala. Oh,